There's a lot of money tied in brick and mortar. Indeed, many people look at real estate as a safe way to keep money and grow it. But there is a caveat to that. Today we try to give you tips on what you need to do to make that real estate project earn you money.
You need to know that in your estate, a property takes long to be taken because it is either highly priced or it is of poor quality. Otherwise, everyone would be falling in love with the property as long as it can get him what he wants. But the problem here in Uganda, and more especially in Kampala, it's based on speculation. Development is speculated, marketing is speculated, occupation is speculated, and we find everything on speculation. One cannot take research. People have not used research firms to come up with what is suitable for them. You find someone putting up a building in a certain location, and you ask yourself, is it a church? Is it going to be like one building a stadium, or is it building a mall? You not find that he's putting there, let's say, for example, a residential property in a place that is supposed to be commercial, or maybe a commercial property in a location that is supposed to be, let's say, a residential. So those issues we need to know. You need to first take research. You need to do market research in order to know that the property you are coming up with will meet the tenants, the prospective tenants.